everyone, and welcome back to Edye's WW Kitchen. I'm so glad you joined me. Please hit that subscribe button, and if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Leave a comment. Let me know how things are going. Tell me how your journey is going. Are you needing something from me that I can provide? Would you like me to make a wonderful recipe, you know, WW friendly or something? Let me know down below. Today, I have done just that. I've taken a pumpkin muffin recipe, which was 5 points per muffin, normal size muffin, and I have changed it enough that each full-size muffin is only 3 points. So for this time of year, could there be a better treat? I don't think so. Okay, what you're gonna need for this recipe of healthy pumpkin muffins is flour, some Splenda, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, mace, allspice, and ginger, baking soda, salt, some pecans, 1 cup of 1% milk, and 1 cup of sugar-free maple syrup, 4 eggs, 2 cups of pumpkin puree. Make sure you get the pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie filling. And then what I haven't measured out yet is a 1/2 cup of sugar-free Swerve brown sugar. All right, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 4 eggs, we're gonna pop them into a bowl. We're going to take that and our Splenda. We're going to take our maple syrup and milk combination there. Our pumpkin puree. Oh, and I forgot a spot of vanilla. So let me put in, well, that's my oven telling me it's ready. I put in a bit of vanilla because that's yumma-lumma. Okay, we're gonna mix all of this together. Now, I doubled the recipe for this, so we'd have 24 cupcakes or muffins, and each one of them is going to be 3 points when we're done. So let's set that aside. Now, I'm going to combine all of the seasonings in this big bowl so we can get them all mixed together well. I'm just going to mix those together like that. Now, if you try to add cinnamon and stuff to this at this point, it won't mix in well. So it's better if you do it slowly with the flour. I'm going to taste that. That's well seasoned. All right, we're good to go for that. Now I'm just going to mix in the pecans so we can get those pretty evenly distributed. Okay, so I'm using a scoop to fill these muffin cups. 1 scoop should do it. Now we're going to take that Swerve brown sugar. It's all kind of dried up a little bit, but we're going to sprinkle some of that on the top of each of these muffins. And that should form a really nice kind of streusely, nummy topping. Okay, we're gonna set these in the oven for 22 to 24 minutes, and I'll show you what they're like when they come out. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.